girl Shavonn, and I'm back with another freaking video. But before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and post notifications showed up for me, brand cuss, and lifestyle space, all that, because you won't miss another video, because it's me, of course. But y'all, we are about to leave, as you can see. We're just waiting on the elevator, and I had to do my intro quietly because I didn't know who was still sleeping or.
Goes up, Lord. Okay, this one is down.
Y'all don't think at all. That's a lot of too many people in the elevator.
Yes, that's like this. Can we take that one over there?
This is gonna take forever.
Huh?
And why would you? Never mind. Never mind. You shut up.
Yeah, because we can go up.
That's what I'm gonna say, but okay.
Yeah, there you go.
Common sense people, they don't think it at all. I swear, like, people don't think. Not people, my parents don't think at all. I could have been doing my lashes, you know. I'm gonna catch you guys when we get to our next destination for safety reasons. Because I can't be carrying my phone in this bag at the same time. Y'all, we left as y'all can see.
Okay, I saw that for you. It's that burgundy, right? Tell you right? Okay. I have on a black shirt. My husband has on a light blue shirt. My daughter has on a
Black shirt. Trying to play me. I have a shirt on.
Yeah, we can. Hello? No, I don't.
Y'all, let's go.
Oh, no. It was
Huh?
from the hotel.
I don't know.
The hotel. No. Because they hadn't given
Y'all, my FaceTime is officially working, guys. I finally took my phone off of air.
Okay, you see my husband with the light blue shirt?
We're going to the hotel.
Yes.
Okay, so y'all, as y'all can see, we are in the car. We are going to the hotel. We have, as you can see, we have officially departed the boat. Overall, I would give my I would give my cruise experience a 9 out of 10. It would be a 10 out of 10 if the food was better, but it's still like a high rating for my first cruise and stuff. The driver actually was engaging in conversation. Yeah. So let me tell you something. I was honestly ready to get in the hotel. I was honestly ready to get off that boat. Number one, so I can play my music. Because let me tell y'all something. When I put my 2 AirPods in and I was jamming, y'all couldn't tell me nothing. I don't know if I said that in one of these videos already, or if this video or the video after this one. I don't know. But y'all gonna hear it again if y'all heard it already. So, yeah, that's one of the main reasons why I was ready to get off the boat. Second of all, I can't sleep in the same room with my mom and my dad in a small room. Because he has the AC up, like, high, and I can't do that. I can't do that. I like to be warm. Not cold or hot. I like to be warm. So, and when I saw my mom touch the thermostat in the room at the hotel, I was like, don't you touch it. Don't you touch it. Leave it alone. Because where I slept at, I was right near the thermostat. But, yeah. Overall, the ride to the hotel was smooth. It was a 10 out of 10. what am I talking about? But yeah, I will catch you guys when I get there, since this clip is about to be over. So yeah. So y'all, we are at the hotel. I got the car keys because I want those chips and I want my speaker. I have went almost a whole week without my speaker. And let me tell you something. Once I took my phone off of airplane mode, I put my AirPods in, I went to music, and I chose Don't Be Cruel. Bro, I was jamming because going days without listening to music in my ears, it's a crime. And first of all, y'all, when we get here, they gave us the wrong room. I'm not gonna say what happened because I don't know who's watching, but nothing nasty, y'all. It's nothing nasty, but I can't say it because of reasons. That's just something is now lingering in the hallway. But it's okay, we got a new room. I will give y'all a room tour. Y'all, somebody walking in. So I'm gonna point that spot.
Good. Stand back over here. Sorry.
It's fine. Chevy truck better let me cross. I know that much. Oh, they're stopping. It can't even park. Y'all, if y'all see the way they're parked, it can't park for nothing. I came here for two things and two things only. I'm about to tell y'all exactly what that is. My speaker and these chips, baby. Oh y'all, I'm gonna be right back. All right, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna thug it out. Oh, all right, y'all, we gotta go inside because it's raining. Let me see what they have down here for breakfast, guys. Hold on. So before I came upstairs, I had to make a little pit stop. I got so many French toast sticks and it's all for me. They want one, they can have one. But once I saw the French toast sticks, oh man, it's over with. Oh wait. Sorry. I'll give y'all a room tour in a second. Alright, so you guys, I'm about to give y'all a room tour. I would open and close the door, but I don't have a key on me, so the only key I have is this. And it's not gonna work here. So I'm gonna go on and give y'all a room tour. You know what? I think I can do it. Give me a second. Give me a second. No, the door is not fully closed. So this is our room, guys. We're gonna start over here. Don't mind my AirPods and my French toast. So let's see. Over here, hi guys. Over here, I guess is a mini kitchen area. Here's a microwave, a refrigerator, and some cabinets. You know what I'm saying? A little coffee maker. And then over here is like the little office area, I guess. There goes my AirPods and my French toast that I was eating, that I showed y'all. Yeah. Here's the living room area, which will probably be where I'm sleeping, which I don't really care. Then call this an outlet right here. As y'all can see, there goes my hat, my blanket, and my speaker is somewhere in that bag. But majority of this stuff is, well, all that stuff is mine, except for that bag back there. Yeah, I guess it's not, if it's not a pull-out couch, I really don't care. Anyways, there goes the TV. I had to mute it. I'm gonna go get that and fill up with ice. Y'all know my ice adventures. If y'all watch my Texas vlogs, if y'all didn't, go watch it now. All right, here's another mirror, guys. Hi, guys. In there is a closet. Well, there's a closet. Well, in there is probably just towels. Y'all see the hangers. There goes my dad's suitcase. I guess this is like a mini, not a mini, well, like a bathroom area, I guess. So, here's the bathroom. There's the shower. I'm about to say, why the light's not turning on? There's the shower. Yeah. And then, over here is where my parents will be sleeping. There goes my mother's stuff. Another one of my father's bags. So we're staying here the night, and then we're leaving Friday morning, and I get to go see my best friend, guys, the next day. I mean, yeah, Friday morning, and I'm seeing her the next day. So yeah, that's the end of the room tour. I'm going back to eating my French toast sticks. Y'all want to know something I can finally do, but I don't feel like doing, but I need to do? Y'all don't worry, that door is locked. I can finally edit my YouTube videos. I was not able to edit on the boat. Now that I am here, I am pretty sure I'm able to edit. I have to edit all these videos that are sitting in my camera. Where's my iPad? I know for a fact it's in here. Cause I'll be like, let me tell you something. If I left my iPad on that boat, oh, we're going back. But I know for a fact I didn't, cause I'm looking at it. So. I gotta be careful because there's some liquid in here. I'm not gonna really unpack too much because we're only staying the night. So honestly, all right. My iPad dead? Y'all, I think my iPad is dead, y'all. But how could it have been dead if I haven't been using it? Yeah, it is on 1%. Alright, where's this extension cord? You know what? Now that I'm here, honestly, I can take all this stuff out. Alright, where is my iPad cord? Since apparently my iPad is about to die. Y'all not gonna sit here and watch me edit, of course, but I just gotta watch, you know, thingamabobber. So tomorrow I'm going home, and Saturday I have to give Bianca her shoes. She said she was gonna get new ones, but no. What is that? Oh, my phone cord is right there. All right, y'all, give me a second. All right, which one is my iPad cord? I don't understand how my iPad is about to die when I wasn't using it at all. All right. Well, I'm gonna put my phone on the charger too, so that way these videos can sync, these clips can sync to my iPad. All right, I'll probably catch you guys later. All right, so guys, guess what we're doing? An ice adventure. Yeah, we ordered food. I'm gonna show you in a second what it is. As soon as I open the store, now I have to call my brother back. So. Video's processing right now. Yeah, they saved it because it's Uber Eats. Y'all, my Uber Eats driver can't speak Spanish. I mean, speak English. Someone.
Something I want to say first.
So let's see the salad. So much.
Look at my baby garlic.
Some buffalo wings. Wait, y'all, they didn't give us any forks or anything? My dad's watching on our show. Yeah. I'll catch you guys later because I have to call my brother back. Okay, so y'all, currently my dad is watching TV. I don't know if they're both asleep. I can't really tell because I can't really see from here. But this was like, I guess it was like a short vlog. I'm gonna see how long this vlog is. But right now, we're gonna see what time it is, y'all. Oh, Jesus. Because I'm trying to be quiet, honestly, because I can't really scream. It is 10:05. Oh, my cousin just accepted my follow request. Huh, that's so crazy. But yeah, it's 10:05 right now. I'm probably about to get in the shower in the next 5 minutes to keep it a whole 100, y'all. Oh, I gotta pee. I have to pee, guys. I really bad. Yeah, I gotta pee. I will catch you guys later. And I was just on the phone with Kenzie, so hopefully when I got the shower and we're on the phone, I will hopefully get her in the vlog. But yeah, I will catch you guys later. I gotta pee. Yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower. Okay, so y'all, I had to whisper because as y'all can hear in the background, I don't know if y'all can hear the background, but my dad is snoring and my mom's asleep. So, and mind y'all, they are like right there. Don't mind the TV, y'all. Don't mind the TV in the background. He's watching TV, and I can guarantee he's asleep with that remote in his hand. I want to turn him off so bad, but I can guarantee he's gonna wake up. But yeah, I was hoping y'all can see Kenzie in this vlog. Y'all might see her tomorrow. But yeah, I'm gonna go on the end of this video right here. Yo, we were supposed to go to the zoo today. Thank God, I'm not going to the zoo. It worked out for me. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. I cannot thank you enough. Thank you, Jesus. I did not want to go to the zoo today. Because let me tell you something. The hotel room was ready when we got here. And yeah, I told that story. But yeah, y'all probably see Kenzie in tomorrow's video when I actually get home and start unpacking my stuff. But I'm gonna go on the end of this video right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, share the family playing customized time space on it. And I will catch you guys tomorrow for when I go home. Deuces.